session, let us discuss about the important news reported in the Hindu. So let's go through the important pages on Hindu. The front page of Hindu reported about an international news. The two NASA astronauts returned to Earth after 64 days in space. An unprecedented test flight by Elon Musk's SpaceX company. NASA means the National Aeronautics and Space Administration started in 1958. It's a part of United States government and located in Washington, D.C. In the editorial column, the Hindu reported about Time to Unlock. It's about Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act, PSA 1978. And PSA means a preventive detention law under which a person is taken into custody to prevent them from acting against the security of state. The same side of this paper, editorial part, we can read about liquor tragedies and issues recently in India. So let's remember about the alcohol prohibited states in India: Bihar, Gujarat, Mizoram and Nagaland, and Union Territory Lakshadweep. Kerala and Andhra Pradesh listed as the highest consumption of liquor in India. The editorial article, the Hindu reported about Article 370, and the writer mentioned about Kashmir has been a favorable place in India and also has news importance in the field of beauty, cross-border terror, deep state and their agents, war and heroism, vibrant popular culture. So let's look into the difference of Article 370 and Article 35A. Article 370 means a special status to Jammu and Kashmir from 1954 to 2019 October 31. They are administered by Government of India as a state. And from 2019 October 31st onwards, Jammu and Kashmir plays in a special status. At the same time, Article 35A means it's defined that Jammu and Kashmir state residents live under a separate set of laws related to citizenship, ownership of properties, funds, rights, etc. In the opposite page, we can read about government imposed nationwide lockdown, and following this lockdown, the spread of COVID-19, the prices of essential items rise in several places across the country. So we can here read about an act, Disaster Management Act 2005. It means it is passed by the Parliament of India. This national authority chaired by Prime Minister of India and 9 members including Vice Chairperson. This authority is responsible for laying down the policies, plans and guidelines for disaster management. The ultimate aim of this authority is to ensure timely and effective response to disasters in India. The national news, we can read about Government of India's new draft policy for defense export. The Ministry of Defense, Government of India put out a draft Defense Production and Export Promotion Policy, DPEPP 2020. DPEPP 2020 is envisaged as overcharging guiding document of Ministry of Defense to provide a focused structured defense production capabilities of the country for self-reliance and exports. The national is also, the Hindu reported about an MGNREGS program. It's the Government of India's program. The government data shows the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act scheme has used up almost half of its allotted funds. So what is MGNREGS? It's an Indian labor law and social security measure through the Act MGNREGS 2005. It aims to guarantee the right to work. This act was passed in 2005 and launched in 2006. It provided 100 days of wage employment in a financial year. This act was proposed by P.V. Narasimha Rao in 1991. It is to be implemented mainly by Grama Panchayat, and the involvement of contractors is banned in this act. Then the national news, we can read about Raksha Bandhan, and it's a Hindu annual ceremony celebrated in India. The religion includes in this ceremony Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism and Jainism. Raksha Bandhan means bond of protection, obligation or care. At the national news, the Hindu reported about the report on leopards sighting soon. Indian leopard is listed as a vulnerable on IUCN Red List because the population declined following the habit loss of fragmentation, poaching for illegal trade of skin and body parts. In 2014 national census, leopard around tiger habitat was carried out India except Northeast. In 2014 data shows total 12,000 to 14,000 speculated. The survey conducted by Wildlife Institute of India or WII. It is an autonomous institution under Ministry of Environment and Forest established in 1982. This institute situates in Dehradun, India. Thank you for listening to this session.